Yeah. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm great.
Yeah. The world is, the world is mine. Wahoo, come on. Wahoo, come on, wahoo. Good morning. How are you? See everywhere. See everywhere. See everywhere. Hey. Ọ dị ọkwa easy. Ọ nwere ihe m nwere na Nigeria. Ọ na Ghana ka m nwere many things. But adị m ebupụta onwe m. Adị m like igosi onwe m. Ị ghọtago? Adị m like ịnọ n'ekunkum. Ọ na-ekunkum level. Ị ghọta? Maka ị bịara ebupụta onwe gị ọ dịrọ mma na it's not good. Ị ghọta? Arụrụ m ebe a maka ndị ọcha. As you can see, ị ga-afụzi ndị ọcha ebe enyi. Ọ ebe a maka ndị Igbo. I build here for Igbo people. I build here for white people. How are you? Hope you are good. Enjoy yourself. Huh? That's the CEO. I'm the owner of this place. So I came for a visit to see everybody, make sure that everybody is okay. How are you? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hope everybody is okay. Wow. Wow. Things are moving well. Show them everywhere. Show them. The best beach in West Africa. Here is the best place for you to be. Ebe a ka m rụrụ maka ndị Igbo. Because ndị Igbo dị oji. So I built this this place for them. And we can how the used to igwu mmiri natural water. So I give them this one. I do this one for the Igbo. You see, people are very happy. Wow. Hi, Otiberians in beach. Labati. Adegwu. The billionaire is here. The billionaire is here. Let's go. Let me show them. This is event center where you can have your party, do your party, or wedding, whatever you want to do. You see, it's very big. As you can see far there. Just give them, show camera. How are you?